Durban Network usabela mfowandaba seduze kwami uAyanda umfokantanzi Ayanda today siyaqala ukubona namhlanje la emashini but sifuna ukuzwa ukuthi yini le kwenziwa decide ukuthi upartake noma ube ingxenye noma participate namhlanje.
Mfethu asibingelele ababukeli bonke ababukele. We've been, part of this movement for quite some time, and we've supported, we've made our stance clear ukuthi siyayeseka ngezathu sayibeka kodwa okukhulu kakhulu kunakho konke ukuthi uAyanda as a public figure and as a brand aka exist nje kwi vacuum but uyi brand because abantu bamenze waba i brand, and so akakwazi ukuba detached from abantu kube sengathi uphila lephezulu. So abantu bakithi uma benento abakhala ngayo kufanele in as much as we share in the joys and in celebrating uAyanda Ntanzi kufanele uAyanda kwazi ukuthi ashare also ubuhlungu babantu asondele eduze abe munye nabantu because ibrand kaAyanda Ntanzi ibrand eyenziwa abantu. So yonke silethela mfethu ukuthi we are one with the people. The people made us before the world saw us. Abantu base South Africa baseningizimu Africa abathi khona into ebekiwe kuAyanda Ntanzi so asimsupport. So ingakho sila it's because we are one with the people fanele sibe khona, and also ukuphendula abantu nje abathi thina njengamakholwa singabantu okufanele badala uxolo. Asikwazi ukuxolo kulidala ku social media nangezinto ezitypiwe. Fanele sibe khona la kubukeke sengathi kukhona ukuthula kukho khona sibe khona ngobukhona bethu senza ukuthi kube khona ukuthula. But also nje kaphezulu kwakho konke we are one with the people, and we share in the joy of the people, we share in the pain, we share in the struggles of the people.
Ayanda izini zezinye zezinto on your personal capacity ongathi mhlambe uyazibona ezinkinga ezidala mhlambe ilabantu bokufika bangenayo amaphepha.
Yabona nje mfethu ezinye zezinto engeke ngayibalula mangibhala ku social media wami. Mina ngowasemakhaya mfethu ngihlala emhlabeni wamakhosi olawulwa zinduna. Umthetho wamakhosi nezinduna uthi wonke umuntu okhona emphakathini kufanele simazi ukuthi ubani wakabani ukuze uma esedala inkinga emphakathini kukwazeke ukuthi abe held accountable. So ke inkinga enkulu esinayo le emakhaya yokuthi abantu kwenzeka izinto zenziwa abantu esingabazi ukuba ubani bavelaphi. Abantu abagcwele emphakathini yethu abaqashile endaweni zasemakithi asibazi bawo ubani bavelaphi. Uma esedala inkinga asikwazi nokulandelela. Number 2, uma umuntu edlula emhlabeni ehlala endaweni zethu engenabani kufanele sibuze umbuzo ukuthi lo muntu osuke engenabani usuke ezongcwatshoba ungcwatshwa abahlali baseningizimu Afrika. So ke asikwazi ukuba blame abantu uma bekhalela izinto ezibakhostayo even financially because umhlali wase South Africa osuke ezokhokha ukulo muntu efihleke ngesizotha.
Enye into ake abakhona ebese Sherwood yagcina isimuvela edrive-in eNorth Beach tholakala ukuthi 90% walaba abantu ababengaphezulu mhlambe kwa 12,000 undocumented. Isho ukuthini lento ngezwe lethu ukuthi sibe nabantu abaningi kangaka who are not documented?
Mfethu into isho ukuthi there is a serious systemic failure. Uhulumeni wethu uma ethi kuumsebenzi we-state uqinisekisa ukuthi abantu ba documented nama immigration laws ayalandelwa. Siyakuvuma lokho, but also at the same time asikwazi ukushaye ngathi asibona ukuthi uhulumeni yena lokufanele enze ufailile. Le yanto ebesibona lapha ya over and above ukuveza ukuthi abantu base South Africa baxosha abantu bayobahlalisa la, but iveza ukuthi uhulumeni wethu uhluleke kangakanani.
Sesizovala nje Ayanda ke sibheke into eyakhulunywa kakhulu ukuthi ama public figures mainly they don't want to participate while abantu are facing different consequences. Bona alikizwi abaqhamuka nayo, but you have decided to do that. But all in all, yini kakhulu which hold you guys back, to participate ukuthi nikhulume ngazwilinye nabantu?
Yabona nje mfethu ngizokutshela iqiniso limsulwa mina ama views ami as uAyanda Ntanzi ngiwadvise yabantu abangama PR specialist abanye ababathandi nje bebrand kaAyanda Ntanzi. They were pointing out ezinye zezinto ke abacabanga ukuthi zizong affecta even in the long run. One of those things was ukuthi amathuba emisebenzi perhaps outside the country. And my response has always been the same ukuthi before the people from outside knew there was an Ayanda Ntanzi, it is the people of South Africa who knew and embraced to Ayanda first. And so abafowethu ngicabanga ukuthi nabo bavikela ama brand abo nanokuthi ke nje mfethu generally singeke ngancanye singemanzi, kodwa mina engikukhuthazayo ukuthi in the differing of views umuntu must stand for something. Ngiyabakhuthaza nabo mabeyibukela lento ukuthi have something you stand for and be bold enough ukuphumela obala ukuthi mina this is what I stand for as Ayanda Ntanzi, as a brand, as 123 I stand against March and March or against illegal immigration campaign, or I stand with, and you must have a backbone enough to stand for something. Lokho kudala ukuthi mfethu uma sazi ukuthi mina ngimiphi omunye umiphi sikwazi ukuhlangana ndawonye and have a dialogue, sikhulume and exchange ideas ukuthi in our differing views siya kanjani phambili.
My last question is kuno 600 million okhishiwe. Is it fair ukuthi kuqhamuke sekuqhamuka u600 million ekubeni sonke siyazi ukuthi kuneziteshi over the years ezikhala ngokuthi asinawo ama-van, ibhama iphelele, amaphoyisa awaphelele?
Mfethu engizokusho nje mina ukuthi leya 600 million was a clear communication from iphathimandla zethu ukuthi they undermine the voice of the people. Abantu, they prioritize diplomacy over its own people, and that truth must be told. Siyawuthanda uhulumeni, siyawusupporta, but uyakhombisa time and time again ukuthi ba prioritize ubudlelwane bangaphandle bawoduma kude over abantu abababekela bekhona, and that can never be fair.
Really appreciate your time.
Siyabonga mfethu.